Another handy macro is the convert to line string here. So if we take a look at these building pads and we look at their properties, we can see that they're all CAD polyline. So because they're CAD polyline, there are certain things that are restricted to be used now, to be done with this line. So such as adding textures for site improvements. So if we were to edit this line, then that would turn it into a line string, and because it's a line string, now as it's a line string, we can come in here and we can choose, adding the override segment length. We can include in a surface. We can control the sharpness or the texture boundary. So we can apply that now that it's no longer a CAD polyline, but it's a line string. So we don't want to have to go through and manually edit all those. We had a shortcut or a little trick that you could run to elevate that line string based on a piece of text, but it was just more of a workaround. So there's this convert line string. So same idea, have the ability to come in here and select by layer, and I'm going to select all those objects, and I'll close this, and it says delete existing, so it's going to delete that line and convert it to a line string. We'll click OK, and now you'll see that when we pick on this, these are all line strings. So now that they're line strings, we can apply and select them all and apply the sharpness for the texture, so that when we add our site improvements, it will be able to add it to those objects.